Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a co-founder here at Icon Savings Plan. I'm joined today by Sasha, who is a fellow co-founder and our CTO. And we're excited to demo our platform, which is transforming the way that businesses are thinking about retirement benefits. Now, one of the major problems we're facing in this country is the retirement savings system is not working. Businesses don't want to or can't offer traditional retirement benefits due to the cost, complexity, and liability associated with running them. The entire market has become overwhelmingly complex, which is hurting savers. Over half of the workforce does not have access to a workplace savings plan. Traditional plans like 401ks don't work for independent contractors, and they also are not portable, requiring rollovers, which result in abandoned accounts. For employers, the fiduciary risk and administrative burden associated with running these plans is simply too great. Now, our company is built on the premise that a better savings experience is possible, one that is simplified and affordable for both employers and employees. So Icon has created the first portable digital retirement plan. Through our platform, we have transformed retirement savings from a product an employer creates to a service an employer can access. In doing so, we eliminate the cost and complexity and fiduciary burden for businesses. It's lightning quick to set up, only taking minutes, and employees and contractors get access to a pre-tax portable plan that travels with them. Today, we're going to show you how any size company, from a small startup to a large organization or even a gig platform, can get set up with Icon as their retirement plan. The magic of this is in the simplicity. Through our platform, we've turned what would normally be a 6 to 8 week process into just a few minutes, radically reducing the amount of work required in setting up the plan. We're starting at the point where the employer's account has already been verified. After verification, there are just a few steps for an employer to set up their account. First, Sasha will link their payroll bank account so that contributions from payroll transfer automatically. We support account logins, challenge deposits, and two-factor authentication to connect any business bank account. We also support multiple bank accounts if you have different operational needs. Second, we have to set up the Icon plan. We support multiple pay schedules and can have as many plans as you need to support your different employee classifications, pay schedules, or internal organizational setup. At Icon, we have 3 types of plans. Primary, if it's the sole retirement plan for your business. Companion, if you're offering Icon alongside an existing 401k. And State, if you're offering Icon to satisfy a state mandate, such as Cal Savers. The last thing for an employer to do is to invite their employees. And we send out emails to employees so they can set up their account. We handle all the ongoing invite messaging as well as the behavioral nudges to get employees engaged. At this point, Sasha has now completed the setup of his account. It took just a few minutes, and he can now manage that account through the dashboard. And one of the things that makes Icon so attractive for employers is that we've dramatically simplified plan management. There's no federal filing requirements, no testing, and no fiduciary responsibility. The dashboard automatically updates with details about the plan, including participation and contribution metrics. The employer simply approves payroll contributions. Those contributions will flow into their employees' accounts automatically when they get paid. And that's Icon for business. Now let's show you what it looks like when Sasha has received an invitation to open his own individual account. The onboarding process only takes a few minutes. The saver will select a portfolio, link to their employer, and set a contribution amount. Here we see Sasha has already signed up and has contributed some money to his account. Sasha's account is automatically invested into a portfolio we recommend to him. Icon is a registered investment advisor, and savers are invested in portfolios tailored to their needs. Our portfolios include low-cost ETFs from Vanguard and BlackRock, with the average expense ratio of 7 basis points. The average for a 401k is around 80 basis points. The individual pays a flat monthly fee of $4. This includes all of the fees associated with administering a plan. Icon does not charge fees based on assets under management. It's a very low cost for the saver. Next, Sasha is going to change how much of his paycheck he wants to save for retirement. Sasha has an Icon employer plan already connected. He can change his contribution at any time, and that will be synchronized with the employer's payroll process. Sasha can easily add a new employer or add a new funding source, including his own personal bank account. With Icon, your plan travels with you. It goes with you from employer to employer with no change in your plan. You have the same investments, the same dashboard, the same experience, and the same low pricing. You never have to deal with a rollover. Lastly, Sasha will get all these trade confirmations and statements delivered to him digitally. There is no complex paperwork for the employer to deliver. Icon handles all of that. And as the future of work continues to be redefined, we need to ensure that all working Americans have access to retirement benefits. We've built the Icon platform so that we can easily partner with financial service industry from banks, asset managers, and providers. Our goal is to make sure that every employer can set up and offer a retirement plan in just a few minutes. Do so at a very low cost, removing all the complexity and fiduciary burdens, and give their employees and contractors access to a pre-tax competitive portable retirement plan. And that's what Icon delivers. Thanks so much for your time today. Look forward to talking to you at our virtual booth.